Hello, hope you're doing good. Finally, our model is ready, and in this video, I'm going to show you how things will be assembled together. Before starting this video, I would like to mention that this project took me a lot more time than I initially anticipated. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Consider this is the shipment that arrived at our facility, and we want to take this stuff, the material or whatever we have inside of this barrel out. Consider this barrel is filled up to the bottom right now. So this is the barrel that just arrived at our facility. Now what we're gonna do, we just open the lid of it. If we open the lid, you will see it will have this kind of weight plate on at the very bottom. So we need to lift up this weight plate in order to get the equipment or whatever we have inside of it. In order to get this equipment, get the stuff out of this barrel, we will insert this kind of assembly on top of it. We will be inserting this assembly on one side and the same assembly on the other side as well. But let me show you how this assembly will be inserted. This is the very first thing that we will insert into it. This is the customized barrel. This is the customized side pillar, and I will show you in a bit how this will be assembling with the other part. So let me just hide this barrel so we can see what's going on inside there. So this is the weight plate that we will have, and this is our side pillar. If we just look into the side pillar, let me hide this face so we can see it clearly. Okay, so this is what we will have inside of it. You can see there's a lot kind of going on inside there, because this is a ratchet mechanism. Because this ball over here, this bolt over here needs to go in and out. When it will move out, it will make its interaction with this plate over here. When it will go out, it will lock itself with this plate over here. So if this bar moves up, this plate will move up as well. Okay, I hope this point is clear now. So if I just create a cross section to show you what's going on inside of it. This is my mechanism inside of it. We will have this kind of a bolt, and on top of this bolt we will have this spring. This spring will make sure that the tightness of this pin to the plate is ensured. And we will have this rope ongoing, this kind of rope ongoing, that will be connected to this bolt over here, and this rope will be used to engage or disengage this bolt to the other part. So let's see where this rope is going on the upper side. Over here, this rope will be attached to this point over here. Let me remove the cross section. The rope will be attached to this bolt over here. This bolt can be used to position it in this position or in this position. One of this position will engage, the other position will disengage the bolt to the main part. So let's say we have engaged this bolt, we have inserted this bar, and we have engaged this pin over here. Now the pin and now this bar and the lower plate will coincide. It will move as the same body. We have inserted this bar on one side. Now let me bring back the barrel. Now what we will do, we will insert this mechanism over here. This is the next step. This mechanism will allow, and this mechanism will be responsible for moving this lever up and down. Okay, so the same kind of mechanism we will have on the other side as well. This mechanism is easy to insert, and it is easy to manufacture and assemble as well. These two parts will be made of wood, and this can be customized as per the barrel size. Consider we have a bigger diameter barrel, this can be further increased. Then we have this simple rack and pinion mechanism over here. This gear will be attached to this lever over here. If we move this lever, this gear will move, and this will allow the board to move up and down as well. So I will insert the same mechanism on the other side as well. This is the mechanism on the other side. Now what we need to do, we just need to rotate this handle, and you can see the bars are moving up. If the bars are moving up, same goes for the plate over here. I will keep the handle moving. You can see if I just keep the hand moving, it will go up like this, like this. So you can take lift up the plate as much as you want, and you can take the stuff out of it. And same goes for the lowering mechanism. If you want to lower it, what you will do, you will rotate the barrel the handle on the opposite side like this, and it will keep moving and until it goes to the very bottom like this. The this is the overall mechanism of it, how it will work. And all the things can be manufactured at our own facility, and if you want to manufacture these, we can definitely talk that through. And if you want to manufacture this from your own supplier, that's also appreciable. And if you want, I can provide you all the files, and if you need anything else, please let me know. Thanks.